of Kizzo's Chronicles, where we have treasure trove of tales and laughters. The episode is sponsored by Baraka EduTech and Kidzonia International. I am Dia and joining me is the wonderful Rahman.
Hello everyone. Today we are diving into an interesting topic, the Indian national elections of 2024. Dia, can you tell us how does these elections happen?
Sure, in the national elections, people from all over India vote and choose leaders who will make an important decision for our country. These leaders form our government and help to run the country.
That sounds really important. So, Dia, who gets to vote in these elections?
Great question. Any Indian citizen who is 18 years old or older can vote. This is a way everyone can share their voice by choosing their leaders they like the best.
Interesting. And how these elections happen?
Elections are held in different places called constituencies. Every part of India is one constituency or more. People vote on their own constituencies.
I see. And what do people vote for? Do they choose one person or more?
In national elections, people vote for a political party or candidate to represent their area. In Lok Sabha, which is like a big meeting place where all chosen leaders discuss or decide new rules for the country.
Do you know how many seats are there in Lok Sabha?
Yes, there are total 543 seats in Lok Sabha. For a party to choose their Prime Minister, they need to win more than half seats. That's at least 272 seats.
That's right. Winning a majority of seats allows a party to enough to form the government.
That makes sense. So, what happens after everyone votes?
That's right. Winning a majority of seats allows a party enough support to form the government and lead the country.
That makes sense. What happens after everybody votes?
After the voting, the votes are counted. The party which wins most seats in the Lok Sabha gets to decide who will be the Prime Minister.
Wow, that's a huge responsibility. So, everyone's vote really matters, doesn't it?
Absolutely. Every single vote counts in shaping of our country's future. That's why it's important to go out and vote.
Thank you, Rahman, for explaining us how Indian national elections work. It is like every voter is a hero of our country.
We hope our listeners found this interesting and something new.
If you enjoyed this episode and learned something today, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Kidzo's Chronicles. Your support helps us to bring more fun and educational content to you.
That's right. Stay tuned for more topics and adventures right here.
Until next time, this is Dia and
Rahman
signing off, and keep exploring and stay curious.